Hey guys, I'm gonna be making a RIPSQUAD IVYLEAGUE sort of tutorial today. So I've got a loop that I made with one Visa and me. We both just made a quick loop, and I'll be showing you how to do it. And in the future, I'll probably make a melody tutorial on how we made this loop. So turn it down. First thing, I want to make it more emotional. So let's get some reverb, and then we'll start with the drums. Okay, so 1 sec, reverb, deep ambient. Sometimes, and it might even be better to put a send signal on that. So if we send it here, move this, just means that we can choose. So full reverb, half that. Okay, now let's just do a cut so the bass can fit well in the song. So it's already cut slightly, but we just cut it a tiny bit more. Add a bit of delay. I feel like the delay helps a lot when there's a loop and you want it to not sound as looped as much. And because when it cuts out of the 4-bar, it just loops, but if you have a delay, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but... And then I might just add a bit of the source. Just boost it slightly, not too much so. And so now off this, I'm gonna start with a lead. You find the key of the sample because it's being transposed. So we're gonna go purity, sort of. I'm gonna mess around on my MIDI keyboard. See, the hardest thing, finding the key of it, so might even be good to just use scalar for this. So, I know that C and F are in it. I feel like this key is, but I'm not entirely sure. So we can start off those keys. So we got C, F, A flat, E flat. So honestly, this is the most annoying thing, finding the key of it. And I mean, sometimes it's hard, but it's just I don't have the original MIDI. So I'm gonna record that in. Last note I played super quiet, so let me just fix that. Quantize it, Control U on Ableton, make sure it's 8th notes. And now what we're gonna do with this is I'm gonna keep the original MIDI, and I'm just gonna freeze this. Basically just converting it to audio. You can do this on, and I'm gonna be doing a quick thing. So transpose it, do this. We'll just see how that sounds. Get a bit of EQ because and now this beat sort of needs to tread 808. So This 808 is the most annoying 808 because it's never in key. Look, you see? You see, it's sort of weird, but let's see. It should be alright though, because just see if you can get it good. So we're gonna do what Mad Nick Mirror does, play it really high up. You can obviously tell it's the wrong key. And then it needs to go down. I gotta get this right, and then we're gonna make an 8-bar loop. We'll just see how that sounds for now. Obviously, the rhythm's a bit weird. And then let's see the other 808s. See how this sounds. Spins always works. I like that. Let's try to do a roll. So, 1 second. I'm just gonna make this 808 a bit more different. What I like to do is go down here, even a bit of this. We don't wanna run everybody's headphones though. And at this point, I'm just gonna turn down the beat slightly because it will leak in my headphones. And now, let's go. So just use this clap. Always place the clap on the third beat, but you can do second if the beat isn't in half time. But for me, it is, and for most people. Maybe send this to the signal also, so has a bit of that. Yeah, that's nicer. So you gotta try like rap on your own beats, and that's how you know if it's good. I really hate these tinny sort of hi-hats, bro. Let's see. So we'll try 2. Sometimes during the tack up, I like doing that a lot. So, I mean, hi-hats, endless opportunities. The more complex you make it, the harder it will be to rap though. But you can always just do a 2-step. And then we'll just go switch it, just make it more interesting. Dun. I really don't like these hi-hats, bro. I really don't like it. So, excuse all my drum kits. We'll go hi-hat 2. And you just gotta follow what your head says, you know? And I'm a man that likes simple hi-hats, but it's probably can't really copy that, because the longer it is, the better it is. I can't really say that actually, but the more variety you have, the more interesting it will be. Otherwise, people will just figure out your hi-hat pattern quickly, or the producers will think you're bad. So look, that's starting to feel good. For this tutorial, I'll just do 4-bar hi-hat. And that's a bit weird there. Don't really like that. I'll do this. Yeah, that's way better. I like that. Okay, and now we'll go into my kit. Don't call me out, bro. That's my private kit, okay? So many ways you can just do it. You can do it offbeat, so that's this like, or we can do some crazy shit like, I don't know. I wonder if we're peaking this if we turn it up. Yo. Now we're not making pair beats today, unfortunately, so we can't be doing that. Now, something like that's good. I sort of like using crashes or even other sounds, but everybody just uses crashes and trap. So this is sort of like the melody and I guess the drums in a way, sort of adding onto the RIPSQUAD style, Ivy League, whatever you want to call it. But a lot of Ivy League things, bro, they just be using purity leads and arpeggios. Like, and you just gotta like go to just blend the notes together. I'll try to play on my keyboard. And even strings work, but I don't want to overcomplicate the beat. The more complex it is, the harder it is to rap on, but the more rewarding it is for yourself. Fuck, bro. Okay, so we'll just go on this kick, get a nice kick. I like this kick. This is originally from the Lucrative drum kit. And kicks, follow the 808 or do your own thing. Give it bounce so you can even put a limiter on the master and make it hit through like with a soft clip or whatever. And I mean, if anybody wants, my next tutorial can just be how to make these melodies, because I know you guys want to know how to do it. So I just want to do some crazy hi-hat. I mean, crazy open hats. I heard in this Frank's Last Day song. Like that sounds weird, hella weird. Sounds like fucking. I don't know. I'm trying something. That's just weird, bro. Anyway, we'll go arrange the beat for everybody. So we got so many ways we can do this. Got the original melody. What I'd like to do for the start though is gate it a bit, sort of RIPSQUAD thing. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, and I don't want to reel too much sauce, but there's another thing we can do. Go serum, guys. Whatever you want to use. Make a super saw. Use a lot in Eurodance. Make the unison pretty high. Filter. The hard thing is you usually need MIDI to do this. Otherwise, it takes a while to find the root note of your melody. But I mean, perhaps if I follow just the 808, we can try and see if that works. So if we go dun dun dun. Yeah, it doesn't work for this. And to make the 808 more like a tick, like doesn't really work the way. So here we go. Just do a quick arrangement for this. Fuck. Okay. Just make it nice, you know. So what we want to bring in, have this. Kick comes in later. This comes in later. That. Break it down. One thing I love doing, bro. Not many people do this, but been dissecting a bit of trap beats. So you go eighth notes, you cut it so nothing plays before this. So if you go listen, it's really nice when hi-hats. So if you see what it does, you can even do it with this. Look. But you know what'd be nice in this part actually? Just a monotone 808. So one second, sorry. Oh my. Doesn't really work that well though, but that sometimes works in beats, so we'll just keep the same 808 and play the beat A. Add my source, it's my private kit. 1 second, so fuck bro. I feel like, okay, so now we have the whole beat. I'll put up max volume and mute my headphones.
Junior's got the snaps.
That's how I do a RIPSQUAD type of Ivy League sort of stuff. And next, if I get enough views or comments, whatever, just let me know if you really want that melody tutorial and I'll drop it. But this is just a quick tutorial on how modern trap, like underground shit is done. Because I feel like all the YouTube tutorials, bro, like, I mean, they're cool and all, but they're just a lot of mainstream thing. Not much in the underground, like, nobody's uploading tutorials for like this underground shit. So. And yeah, I just feel like there needs to be more shine in the community rather than just be making fucking dub baby type beats, bro, on some real shit. So hope everybody enjoys this, and let me know what you guys want next, or if you want the melody tutorial, just some melody tutorial, whatever you guys want. Let me know. Bye.